Hello and welcome back to week 6. I still got to get around to grading week 4. I'll get that all done today. I don't have the day off. I have nothing planned for today, so I'll jump into that. Um, when we're looking at our homeworks for doing subnetting, make sure that you go back and look at the slides and remember that key point that I showed you guys to draw out the. Um, I probably shouldn't choose. I don't know if it's in this one. Make sure to draw out that image right here. This information right here is so pertinent in this slide. It'll help you master this course. I had one student actually extract this information into an Excel file so that when he needed it, he could always just put it in his homework since it was like a word. Basically, it's a table. Um, so you just put it into a table. You can do it in a Word document, you can do it in Excel, in either one. And this helped him master this course because we're going to really grind this out. First, we're going to like grind it into you that okay, this is how you do classical subnetting, and then we're going to switch it up in a few weeks to VLSM, variable length subnetting mask. Um, so we're going to change this a little bit, but make sure that you are applying this method now and really working hard to master state the classful subnetting. Um, Very important to do. Keep working on it. Practice a lot. We had a test last week. If you missed the test, don't worry about it because we have Kaplan, rehearsing that Kaplan and starting to prepare for the Net Plus certification. We'll start you down your path to becoming a network admin, cybersecurity. Everything happens on a network, and being able to identify this goes back to when we're starting to learn the OSI models. Um, you really start to pluck apart your network and say, okay, where did this attack originate from? What level in the OSI model should I be kind of inspecting? Should I be inspecting the application layer? Did it happen at the presentation layer? Where did this come from? And really ties in a lot to cybersecurity and networking technologies. Week 6 starts this week. We look at the data link layer and the Ethernet layer. We do subnetting 2. Once again, make sure to evaluate, and I added a few more information in this week, so we won't be doing the exact same. We're going to be doing a little bit more. We're going to be looking for network addresses within the homework. Hopefully this pops up. So basically, you're going to have to do some thinking here, whether it's adding, multiplying. Make sure to look at those homework videos that I put. But I give you this address here, and I say, where does this IP address reside? What network? What is the network address? What is the broadcast address? I give you this 195.480/24, so I give you 256 addresses, and I say, you know what? We only need address to accommodate 12 hosts per subnet, 12 clients per subnet. Um, what is the number of the total hosts per subnet? Make sure that's always you always have 2 more than your usable because we can't use the broadcast, can't use the network. What prefix is this? Go back to that slide and say, okay, I have this information. I have the number of hosts I need. How does this work? Um, and if you're still working on trying to grasp this concept, don't worry about it. Keep on. Look at some videos online. If my videos aren't helping you, look at some videos online. If you need different videos or another way to explain it, I do have a WebEx account, so we can do some video chatting. But my video is still not working. I need to get that fixed before I go on vacation. Uh, I'll I will work. I have to visit a campus to get that to work. That'll be my goal is to get that to work by the end of this week, so I can give you guys some videos instead of no videos. But keep on practicing at this. You will get it. I can guarantee that. Just keep practicing it. I don't know when. I don't know what exactly happens in your brain, but at some point your brain will just click and you'll be like, I understand everything about classical subnetting. You'll fly through the homework, and then we'll switch it up. I believe in week, I want to say 9. Nope, we keep on doing subnetting. So like I said, we do this for quite a while because we need to master subnetting, and trust me, it's no easy protocol to do it. And if I knew a different way to get you guys to learn this, I would do it that way. But this is a tried and true method. Let's see. Make sure you have your transcenders. Make sure you're practicing your I'm sorry, Kaplan. Make sure to have your Kaplan. Make sure you're practicing it. If you need help with it, reach out to me. At frontrange.edu is good. In D2L is better. Um, Google Hangouts is probably the best method. Um, some of the time I'm not in the at my yeah I would say office, my house. Sometimes I'm not at my house. I'm at somebody's house. I can text message almost constantly. Um, Even when I'm at the grocery store. I think I was texting some people back and forth at the grocery store. But Google Hangouts is basically a really good team working site. Um, but if you have any questions, reach out. Make sure you're practicing that Kaplan. Get in the habit of practicing, putting in at least a couple hours a week, because when we get closer to the end of the semester, it's going to really fly by, and you're going to need to submit that. And not you don't want to add more stress when you're doing other finals and other classes. If you're practicing it now, it kind of goes a lot well, it does go a lot easier and helps you out in the long run. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Um, and I think that's it. I will be going to campus to pick up those cables, and I think we're good.